Alright, after watching many videos on YouTube myself, I was unable to find anything that actually showed me what I wanted to see. So I'm going to make one myself here. Now, just for the sake of the video, I stuck the key in there to hold the little black thing on it, but this actually pops right off. So what you do is you don't mind the key, you pop the black thing off, and you have this thing right here, right? And then you grab, it's better with channel locks, but you grab with vice grips and you twist it, oop, ding, and then twist it back a little bit so the window wipers, everything works, and there you go. Ford ignition key bypass method. Legit. So if you ever forget your keys or whatever, you know, need to move someone's vans, don't get a ticket or whatever you like, there you go.